I know I've said this in the past, but I'll keep saying it. The Yeezy 700v3 is one of my favorite new Yeezy models. And I'm going to tell you why in this video. Today, I have one of the latest colorways to drop. This is the Faded Carbon, and it is an incredible colorway. Check these out. What is good, my people? I hope you're having a blessed day. My name is Rom. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the latest offering from the Yeezy 700v3. These are the Faded Carbons. I'll be looking at the shoe in more detail, looking at the design, the materials used, sizing. I'll also be giving you my opinion when it comes to resale. And of course, I'll be giving you that on feet as well. So make sure you watch the entire video for that. So we have them in hand. These sneakers are very interesting. This colorway is absolutely crazy. Strangely enough, I do actually really like this colorway. It's so futuristic in my opinion, so different from anything we've seen before. They kind of remind me of one of the last Yeezy 700v3s I actually picked up, which are the Coppers, where the color on the upper actually fills back all the way to the back of the heel of the shoe. Very cool. These sneakers dropped yesterday in the UK, and I believe it was a worldwide release as well. Retail price was £170, which I think is a great retail price for this shoe considering. And I've said this before in previous videos, my only beef with the 700v3s is that it's not as comfortable as the V2 700s. And that's because it doesn't have that boost technology, and that price point kind of justifies why the shoe is kind of so cheap, because it doesn't have that boost technology. So comfort is not there, but it's not the worst shoe you can buy right now. They're still pretty comfortable compared to many other models on the market, just not as comfortable as a 350 or a 700v2 or a V1. But this shoe is a really nice shoe. I love that how futuristic it is, and I think you're kind of paying for that with this shoe. Really dope. So as this is a Yeezy, you do get some really nice materials on the shoe. So always top tier premium materials from the Yeezy 700s. This shoe is no different. So the upper of the shoe features this really nice meshing type material on here. Feels like that prime knit material that you get on some other Yeezy models, and it feels very durable. And it also features the meshing on the side as well. You can tell that this is going to be very breathable. You're going to get a lot of air inside the shoe, so your feet will not be too hot in here. Really cool. I do like this upper of the shoe, which is done in this alien looking type thing, and it's also luminous, I believe, on this pair. I need to check it out. I haven't tested it yet, but most of the other Yeezy 700v3s that I've picked up in the past, they do glow in the dark. I do like this colorway as well. So you get a bit of purple, and it just contrasts into pink and then red all the way to the back of the shoe, which is really cool. When you come to the laces, you get these new style technology when it comes to the Yeezy laces. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but the good thing is you do get extra laces in the box. So if you want to cut these off and add the extra laces, you can, which I think is very good. And as I said before, the only problem I have with the V3s is that it's not as comfortable as some other Yeezy models, and that's because you do not have that boost technology in here. But otherwise, it is very good. In regards to actually wearing this shoe out, you can probably put this with any outfit and it will go really well. And another good thing is this shoe will go with all three colorways of my sock on my website on severeandco.com. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go check it out. All three colorways will go with this shoe because it's so cool with this colorway. You get so many different colors. So when it comes to sizing, I always recommend whenever you're buying a Yeezy, go a half a size up. It fits absolutely perfect. I believe on the website they actually tell you that this shoe fits at least a half a size up. I actually went half a size up in these, and they fit absolutely perfect. As you can see, no issues when it comes to the inside. It feels really good, loads of room inside as well. So when it comes to resale, the Yeezy 700v3s I've never done really well, apart from the OGs. The Ressells, I believe, those are just flying when it comes to resale. And I think it's going to be the exact same for this. They're not going to do that well. I think currently they're reselling for around 180 to about 230 in most sizes. So not much resale on the shoe. So this is definitely a shoe I would invest in, because I don't expect these to go up in value. Looking at the data from the other Yeezy 700v3s that I've dropped, they really haven't gone up in value. Most of them are reselling for below retail, and I think over time this probably will sell below retail as well. So not one I would personally invest in. This is definitely one for my personal collection. I just really dig this colorway. It is so cool. I do like this color that goes from purple to pink to red to the back of the shoe. really cool in my opinion. So this is definitely one for the personal collection. Yes, my people, that is it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it and found the information useful as always. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. The on-feed portion of the video coming now.